All right, everybody, we're at Bradford Woods in southern Indiana, and I got the bus here, and I wasn't quite sure that this 40-foot, 85-passenger, 18-ton bus was going to make it up this hill that's so tall and curvy you can't even see all of it right now. Got me a little worried, but it's a good bus. It's 8 years old, so 2006. So between this Bluebird bus and this badass driver, I think we can get it done. Let's take a look. See what this Caterpillar engine can do on this old diesel, huh? Let's see what we got. Fire it up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about.